conclude the law of cosines with this last example. So in the previous example, we saw that we had two sides and then an included angle, and law of cosines works for that case. Now, for this example here, the other case where you want law of sines is when you're given three sides and you don't have any of the angles. Okay, so these are the formulas that we could choose from here. They've been thoroughly explained in the other examples, so why don't we just get right to it. We're asked to find the measure of angle B in the triangle below. Notice we're not going to solve for the whole triangle. We're only looking for measure B. Okay, so this is the formula that I'm going to use right here. Cosine of B, a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. And we can go ahead and define a is 22, b is going to be 24, and c 17. Okay, so one of the good things about this is that all we have to do is plug in accurately and know how to use our calculator. So we got 22 squared plus 17 squared, subtract 24 squared, all over 2 times 22 times 17. So I think it's sometimes easy just with the standard calculator just to compute the numerator and the denominator separately, but depending on the type of calculator you have, you might be able to do it all in one step. So I'm just going to put this into a decimal because I think it's simple to put into the calculator. And now to get angle B, say that B is the cosine inverse of 0.26. And we did not have it in the directions, but if you don't have any direction, you can just round to one decimal place. So 74.9 degrees is angle B. Okay, so we're going to stop here now, but if you were going to solve the rest of the triangle, you now have an angle and side relationship, so you could go on, you could use the law of sines to solve for the other two, or you could just go ahead and pick another formula out like this one right here and get angle A. But once you've got two of the angles in the third, you just subtract the other two from 180. All right, so we're going to stop there. We've now covered all the main ways to use the law of cosines.